Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from the main port to the spending port in Trading 212 application. So first of all, you need to simply launch your app, then sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here on the home page, you just have to tap on the option of cash. Then you just have to select the ports section. Now over here you are going to see the main port along with any other ports that you have created, including the spending port. So you need to simply tap on the option of main port in order to open it. Then you just have to tap on the option of transfer or move money depending on your app's version. Over here you just have to simply choose the spending port as the destination, enter the amount that you want to transfer, then review the details and tap on the option of confirm. Now in most of the cases transfer is completed instantly and your spending port balance is going to update immediately. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.